In this video, I'm going to show you how to use MGX.dev. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to MGX.dev and then you want to sign into your account. And after you do this, it's actually pretty straightforward how you can actually use this. So over here, you can go ahead and build your ideas with agents. And here you can basically ask it to do anything. So as you can see, here is Alex. He's an engineer and he can help you pretty much build anything you would like. Now, what you can do in here, you just tell it to build something. For example, build me a calculator app, a productivity app, a, let's say, timekeeping app, etc. So whatever you want to do, you can go ahead and let it know what you want, and it's going to build it for you literally within a few minutes. Here you can also basically go ahead and upload a file or folder if you'd like to. You can also connect it to Supabase and switch between team and engineer. So if you'd like to have more complex tasks, you can go ahead and use this, or you can just go ahead and use the engineer if you just want to build something. Here you can also turn on race mode, which basically allows you to explore and find the best solution, or the deep research mode, which goes ahead and does the deep research. Here you can also go ahead and you can right away start to build different slides. You can go ahead and basically put words to slides, fast and present, as they say. You can do deep research. You can basically form words to blog and build your unique story, or you can go ahead and brand yourself on a cool page like Linktree with social links. So those are the first few things you have to know. And then here you can select what you want to use. So the model, here it's going to be Claude Sonnet 4 as a default one. You can also use GPT-5 or Gemini 2.5 Pro. You can also see more models over here, for example, DeepSeek and Qwen 3 Coder Plus. So you can pick the one you would like, type in your request and click on this button or enter on your keyboard and you will get started. Down here at the bottom, you can see the app world, you can see different websites, games, and basically things people have created using GMX.dev. So it can kind of give you an idea what's going on. For example, if I go to game over here, and if I, let's say, open up one of these games, so let's say this one, it's going to pop up and you can just go ahead and basically start playing it inside here, which is pretty amazing. You can also open that in chat if you want to and kind of build on that, which is also very, very good. And then once you've actually created your app, you'll be able to access it by hovering over this button and hovering over my chats, and you'll be able to see basically your things in here. So I created a calculator app earlier. I'm going to click on that. And as you can see, this is my calculator app. The only thing I told it is create a calculator app, and it did that for me automatically. As you can see, it's a fully functioning calculator over here. So this is very, very good, okay? And of course, inside here, you also have a few more capabilities. You can go ahead and publish this, so you can publish your project to any of your domains if you want to. Click on publish over here. It's going to get published and then somebody can access this using this link over here. Or what you can do is also share it. You can also click on here, integrate this with Supabase as I told you earlier, or you can just go ahead and kind of make advancements on this app and it's going to basically help you do that as well. You can go ahead and basically select the edit theme if you want to edit a specific part, or you can select the chat as well. You can go ahead and see the mobile version and the PC version, so you can just switch between the two. You can see the console, so in case you have any errors, any infos, you can see those in here. And you can switch between the editor, you can switch between the app viewer, the terminal, and then the files as well, okay? By the way, if you want, you can go ahead and add in new data, you can add in new folders, etc. whenever you want. So that's pretty much how you do it. If you'd like to create something else, click on new chat up here, and you can go ahead and get started again. Now, that's how you use MGX.dev. It's pretty simple. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.